Dear investor, welcome at Binck Café. Today I want to talk with you about the economic war, the trade war between China and the US. Many investors always ask, where is this coming from? Basically, it's all started in July 2018 by the ambitious plans from the Chinese government of getting China from a low-end engineering company to a high-end producing company. They have two projects for that, the BRI and the project called Made in China 2025. Donald Trump believes that these specific plans are opposite on what we are basically used to in the Western economy, of having a free, liberal economy. He says that these communistic ideas will only bring corruption and, will not bring a lot of good. As with every war, there are always victims. What are the main victims of the trade war between China and the US? Now, what happens basically is that the Chinese and the US government are increasing the tariffs of getting products from one country to the other country. Sounds very simple, but what causes this? It basically causes that products, for example a car, or for example a can of Coca-Cola, is more expensive than it was before. Because when you're initially paying 10% tax, now all of a sudden it's 25% tax. So by increasing these tariffs, products get more expensive. The IMF believes, the International Monetary Fund believes that if this continues, for 2020 this will implicate a 0.5 or 0.5% shave off of the total global economical growth. What will happen the next few months or the next coming year? Well, basically, that is a big question mark. We all don't know. The only thing that we do know is that China is, in the eyes of Donald Trump, is entering more in an aggression than in an economic partnership. So the partnership between these two countries doesn't look very well. China has become more and more explicit about their plans, and Donald Trump has been more and more explicit about his measurements to stop these plans. The US will continue, as you may believe Donald Trump, by putting in measurements to stop these plans, and China, on the other hand, will keep pushing those plans because, of course, they have the ambition to become this high-end producing company. You as an investor should always be aware of the risks in your portfolio. Do you have individual companies that are exposed to these specific elements of the trade war? Do you have a high concentration risk in specific stocks that are exposed to the trade war? Please have a look and think about it. We can help you also maybe to figure out where that risk might be. Thank you very much for looking at Binck Café. I hope to see you next time, and good luck with your investments.